Phrogging is where someone will break into someone's house and stay in the hidden spaces without the residents knowing.
I need you.
To me, it was a way of like forcing intimacy through the physical space that you're in. From there, dust became a really important theme. Dust is something so horrible and so invasive, and you might clean your house, you might clean just the surfaces that you come into contact with, but behind there is so much dust hiding. So the work was called Warmth. I designed it in a specific way for each element to be encountered as you walk through it, and that slowly build into this image and this story in your head. The big sort of climax of the work was this staircase that you walked up, where you could see above the living room space that you were just in, through the hole of the collapsed ceiling, and you could see more of a sinister twist to the space where you were just in. Of course, when doing a project of that size, it's not just the physical building, but the planning, the designing, the management, working with a team, all the health and safety, keeping track of materials and staying on top of everything, which I absolutely loved. The work wasn't necessarily about thinking, it was more about feeling. I had a tutor call it the nightmare cage or something. It did create like a very visceral feeling, which I think is so great. I was sat outside the whole time, I was hearing like people screaming. Yeah, but then of course there's the line of, if you go too far, then you're in the territory of sort of funfair attractions. And of course that still has value. But I think a great work of art is one where you're like curiously trying to find out what's going on. And so I tried to leave it with a lot of details for people to find, but also sort of open-ended. I only just wish that the scale was bigger.